Hello, welcome to Biology 520. This is Mrs. Pat Abrams, the instructor, and I welcome you all to the Mount St. Joseph High School community. It's a pleasure to work with your sons and to have the opportunity to speak with you very quickly to give an overview of biology. Biology is a required course in the state of Maryland. It's the first of the 3 required courses, and it'll be followed next year by chemistry. Our textbook is the Miller-Levine Biology, which is online, and if you're having difficulty accessing the book or any problems, please get in touch with me and I will assist you in any way possible. Secondly, Plus Portals is very important to all parents. It is my primary key or tool to communicate with you, so please make sure you check all your Plus Portals email all the time. You're going to find assignments, class notes, and materials in folders by chapter, and most importantly, I'm sure for all of you, are the grades. Other resources we'll be using are Google Classroom and Quizlet. Both are apps that are on your son's iPad. Speaking of iPads, it's important that your son uses iPad for each and every class. Right now, you all are at home. Your sons are at home. Shortly, we'll be beginning our hybrid instruction, and some of you will be in school. Some students will be in school, others at home, and then we'll be switching. But it's important to make sure that iPad is ready to go. Have your son make a habit of keeping it charged at night, and particularly if we do get back to school full-time face-to-face, that's going to be essential. The road to success, simple. Make sure that you understand there's going to be nightly assignments. Make sure that they're done. There will be quizzes that occur pretty much weekly. Tests, usually 3 to 4 per quarter, and they will probably be online this year. Lab reports must follow the format as prescribed in class, and there is a folder labeled Lab Reports online. Finally, stay in touch. That's the key. This is a team effort, and I've given you my email here. You can click on it at Portals, and it's very easy to get to me, so make sure that you use that. You know, if you're seeing a problem, don't wait. Again, this is a teamwork. You, your son, and me. And if we all work together effectively, we're going to have a great year. Thanks for taking the time to listen.